Hello friend, welcome back to Auto Resource YouTube channel. I believe you must love this truck. It's a 2006 Nissan Frontier 4-wheel drive. Why you must love it? Because I make one video after another on this wonderful machine. In this video, let me show you how I will deal with cleaning of MAF or MAF sensor. And this truck has that 4-liter V6 engine, and the MAF or mass airflow sensor is located right here. And here you can see the electric connector to it, right? And there are two small Phillips screws holding it inside of this intake pipe. So the best is probably remove the sensor while pushing on this tab, right? So we have that removed, and now I can go and carefully remove these two screws. I will have my magnet here. And look, this is the top one. I hope you can see nicely the detail, right? Always make sure you don't drop them, because if that will disappear somewhere in the engine, that will be a nightmare to find it. Boom, that's why it's on the magnet. Here on the bottom is the second one. That will let me nicely pull it out of that intake pipe, and I will be able to clean it. Here we go, the second screw right here. Here comes the MAF out. You can see both sides. Now, why am I cleaning it, right? Or what needs to be cleaned? The outside, here, the dirt? No. Obviously there are wires inside. Not sure if you can see them with the light here, but there are very thin wires inside, and the dust and dirt which comes through those pipes collects on it, and it starts not reading correctly, right? That dirt affects the reading from the sensor, and that's why we are cleaning it. And how do I clean this sensor? Well, that's very easy. I got my protective glasses, protected gloves, and I will always use only this cleaner. CRC, mass airflow cleaner. There will be people in the comments asking me, well, can I use this? Can I use that? Please don't ask me that. I'm saying this is the only thing you should be using. If you know differently and you are sure about that, please share it with others in the comments. But don't ask me if you can use something else. This is what I use, right, to clean the sensor. And what I will do, carefully spray it, right? You never use any brushes. No mechanical cleaning, only that spray. And I'm watching where are the wires, where are the openings, and I'm spraying it in. I will not stick there. This straw, right, always from distance, and I will use for one sensor approximately half of this can. That's my usual procedure, and so far I never did any damage. It was always with the happy ending. Now, what is important to say after you are done cleaning with it, you are not touching any of those again. You need to let it dry, and that cleaner needs to evaporate from those wires. Only after that I will install it. So let's put it this way, I will wait at least 10 minutes before putting it back. And after it dried, putting it back, it's obviously just opposite what we just did, right? I found the correct position to enter that intake, right, which is this way. The screws clearly show you how it belongs there. It's not the other way. I will carefully start putting those screws back, right? And I don't drop them. That will be a nightmare to deal with. I will just slightly tighten this one. Come with this screw. Now I'm ready to tighten both of them. Right, I will not use any power tools because it goes in the plastic. You don't want to strip it, right? That will be a nightmare. That will cause an air leak. And I can attach this electric connector until it will click, right? Yep, now I know it's secure there. Everything is fine and I'm done here. And the same can happen here, like we discussed about the cleaning that throttle body in the other video. When you install clean MAF and you hop in the truck, start it up, the idle can be really high, higher than it was. It's because the sensor is reading suddenly different numbers to the computer, and that computer needs to adjust to the new conditions. But it should go away after the short test drive or after a couple of cycles of driving this truck. I hope you found this video helpful. If you do, give it a thumb up and please be subscribed. I have way more coming your way in the future. Thanks for watching and have a great day, my friend.